Hello guys, welcome to back to my channel. Today the video is rainy family morning routine. Okay, ready to go to the house. Um, Hello guys, so good morning. Okay, I'm ready to go to the ready for the breakfast. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, first I take your address. Okay, I take your address. Okay, ready for the bathing. Okay, first I'm brushing my teeth. Okay, okay, I brush my teeth. Okay, okay, my hand wash, flush the toilet. Okay, and go to the bath. Okay, okay, I'm bathing. Okay, I'm dressed up. Okay, I put the washing machine to wash them. Okay, I wash it, and next, okay, I'm going to down and ready for the breakfast. Okay, I wear a apron. The coat is on my sofa. Okay, I'm ready to cook. Okay, an egg. Where is it? Oh, she wants to breakfast to eat. Now to take to eat. Okay, ready. Okay, I put the cereals on the bowl. Okay, next I put the hot chocolate. Okay, ready. Okay, I'm ready. It's too late. Oh, okay, I'm ready. Okay, I choose a dress to wear it. Oh, the baby is wake up and crying. Don't cry, don't cry. I'm almost here. Don't cry. Okay, okay. Okay, Daisy and Lily go to sit to the sofa. Okay, mom. Okay, the baby is crying. Wah, wah. Okay, don't cry, baby. I ready to look for it. Okay, take the. Okay, ready the mix. Okay, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, ready to the. Okay, there is ready. Okay, jiggly jiggly. You take the. Wow. Ha 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 ha. Oh, she's ready. Okay, ready. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, you thank you. Okay, the food is ready. All are come to eat. Thank you, mommy. Okay, I remove the apron. Okay, we already ate the coffee. Okay, I drink a juice. Coffee, hot milkshake. If you like a video, like and share and subscribe. Bye guys.